Have you ever wondered about these flat tummies? No problem. You can also get these type of flat tummies just by working out without any equipments. This equipment free workout will set you on the right track. So stay up to the end of the video for knowing these secrets. Equipment free workouts are a convenient form of getting fit without using any machines, weights, or, as the name suggested, any equipments at all. You can work out anywhere at any time without any hassles. These equipments are great for the flat tummy because equipments free workout trains you to use your own body weight to lose fat and build lean muscles throughout your body. So come on all, let's jump into the video. The top equipment free workouts that fire up your abdominal muscles and help you to achieve a flat tummy are: the plank is a core stabilization movement which targets all the core muscles and is an isometric strength building exercise. Doing a plank is incredibly simple. The right way to perform a plank is maintaining a stationary push-up position for the maximum possible time. If you are just starting out, try to maintain a plank for 30 seconds. The most effective way to practice a plank is to hold the position for a minute and resting for 10 seconds before reheating the movement at least twice more. A major part of a flat tummy goals is getting rid of that muffin top. Another version of plank is the side plank, where the body is propped upon either the right side or the left side of the body, supported by arm and leg, held for as long as possible. The another hand on the top must be whole extended upwards at a right angle to your body. You can also try to lift the body instead of resisting it on the other leg parallel to the floor. Dead bug is a unique and fun core stabilization exercise that also stabilizes the back muscle, especially targeting the lower back. To perform this equipment free workout, lie down and bend your knees so that your feet are flat on the floor. Then tighten your abs and raise your bent legs until your knees are over your hips. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg until they are just above the floor and bring them back to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite side. Sit-ups are the most popular and common workout for achieving a flat tummy. It is an abdominal endurance training and involves a basic crunching movement which entirely targets the abdominal muscle. Sit-ups strengthen the rectus abdominis and can be performed anywhere. The reverse push-up is a dynamic movement exercise which targets belly fat by working on the core and strengthening your lower back, and lift your shoulders and hip up towards the ceiling. Assume a tabletop position to start this workout. Drop your shoulders down and support your body on the palm and heels while keeping your body in the straight line.